For me, it didn't happen organically. I've always danced since I was a little kid. I would always be the kid in my house, like dancing, and my mom was like, "Stop moving around," you know. And then one day I was in gym class, and my gym teacher was gone, so the dance teacher was subbing, and we were playing kick volleyball, and I was like freestyling and dancing, and she asked me if I wanted to join the dance team. I said, "No, I don't want to do that." And then she was like, "Well, you can dance with other boys," and I was like, "Oh, okay, that's cool." And then the next year, she told me, "You should take a ballet class." I said, "I ain't taking no ballet class." And then afterwards, a year later, I decided to do it, and it changed my life, you know? So then I wound up doing ballet and jazz and contemporary, and it made me the dancer that I am today because now I'm more well-rounded. I feel like the more styles you know, the more that your body is capable of. If you just close yourself off to one thing, then that's all you're ever gonna do. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah? So the more you learn, the better you can be as a person and a dancer, you know? So.